And if for any reason the robot does go rogue, there's a giant stop button that you can press right here to stop it in its tracks.
It worked. Look, it cut the grass. Success. Let me introduce you to the STIGA.
Okay, we've had the STIGA robot lawnmower for about 2 weeks now. It was initially fairly easy to set up once we realised you do have to have a distance between any objects and the STIGA, for example, any trees or buildings. That's because it's controlled by satellite.
A do-it-yourself, GPS guided robot lawnmower, which out of the box looks absolutely fantastic, both front and back. Once you secure the docking station, you have to add this cute yellow key to enable the device. The STIGA app is straightforward and relatively easy to use. You start by parting the device, then you calibrate the blade. We had a glitch, did a software update, and it worked. But when we wanted to connect to GPS, we had a low signal strength, so repositioned the docking station and problem was solved. There's a tool that allows you to drive the robot, and then automatically or manually, it'll map out your garden. You can set your blade height, and when up close, you can even hear it cut the grass. You can even see the areas cut versus not cut. The app tells you how much of your garden has been cut at any given point, and until you have set up a schedule, you can manually start the mowing process with a single swipe. The only snag, when not in its dock, some of the settings can't be made.
So the STIGA robot lawnmower doesn't go right up to the edges, but it does do 95% of the garden, which is great. So the one thing to consider is that the charging station does need to be plugged up into a wired socket. A lot of robot lawnmowers require assistance from companies to set them up, whether they're satellite controlled or wire controlled, but this one is literally straight out of the box and it works fine. So my last robot lawnmower from another well-known brand took hours to set up with boundary wires. Worst thing is it chewed up the boundary wires. Great, but thank you STIGA for fixing that problem.
Well done. STIGA. On what is a great mower?